All the balls out here, man. Hey, my name is Ricky, and I'm going to tell you about firework safety. What you don't realize is that millions of Americans die every day from firework accident and fire and related. There are several rules to maintaining firework safety. Rule number 1, keep a safe distance when you shoot off fireworks. Do not shoot fireworks out of a moving vehicle. Do not shoot fireworks out of your friend's butt crack. Woo! Do not load in a firework upside down. Right side up, baby. Do not have fireworks around an open flame. Holy